Section 7.1, Example 4 says, suppose you invest $1,000 in a savings account that pays 5% annual interest. If you make no additional deposits or withdrawals, how many years will it take for the account to grow to at least $1,500? First, we will let T be the number of years, we'll let A of T be the amount in the account after T years, and we'll use the function again that we saw in the previous problem. So A of T equals our initial amount times 1 plus the rate raised to the number of time periods. Here we have an initial amount of 1,000 and a rate of 5%, like our previous problem. So we have 1,000 times 1.05 to the t power. However, in this problem, instead of knowing how many time periods we have a number that we're trying to get to. So that's actually going to be the amount after so many years. To do this problem, the book actually uses a table. So we're not going to look at the graph. Just focus over here on the table. If you have a graphing calculator, you can also do this. So the first thing you need to do is plug in 1,000 times 1.05. Here we have to put to the x power because we don't have the letter t on Desmos or your graphing calculator, but this works the same way. Your table will probably automatically start you out with the numbers -2 through 2 or something similar. Now, we're talking about years, so we're not going to focus much on the negatives because we're not going to go back in time. However, we know we start with 1,000 when we put our money into the bank. We want to figure out how many years it's going to take until we reach 1,500. Well, if I'm going by ones, notice I'm at 1,100. I can skip a few. Maybe I think 5 might be closer. That only gets me to about 1,200. So maybe 7. That gets us up to 1,400. That's pretty close. So maybe we'll go up by 1 again. That gets us to 1,477. We only need a little bit more, so let's try 9. That gets us up to $1,551.33 if we round. So 8 is too low, 9 is just above 1,500, so we won't have over $1,500 until we've reached 9 years. Therefore, the account will not contain $1,500 until the 9th year. After 9 years, the balance will be $1,551.33. The work for this problem is written out on the next slide, including a visual of what it would look like on a graphing calculator. And now I would like you to try number 6. Suppose you deposit $2,000 in a savings account that pays interest at an annual rate of 4%. Answer the following questions, supposing that no money is added to or withdrawn from the account. Part A, how many years will it take for the account to contain $2,500? And Part B, how many years will it take for the account to contain $3,000?